Do you want to speak English but you don't have anyone to practice with? No friends, no partner, no English environment? Then you are not alone. In fact, many learners face this problem. But the good news is you can still improve your English by practicing alone at home. And in today's video, I am going to show you exactly how I do it. In this video, you will learn how to practice English without a partner, easy daily practice methods, how to build confidence step by step. So make sure you watch this video till end. Hi everyone, welcome back to English with Swati. First of all, let's start with the easiest method, and that is self-talk. Now you might be thinking, is talking to myself really helpful? Well, yes. It is one of the most powerful methods because when you talk to yourself, you don't feel shy, you don't feel judged, and you can practice freely. So, how can you start? You can begin by asking yourself simple questions like what did I do today? What am I doing right now? What will I do tomorrow? Then try to answer in English. Like I am watching a video, I practiced English today, tomorrow I will complete my work. At first, it may feel a little strange, but slowly it becomes natural. And as you continue this habit, you will notice that you are starting to think in English automatically. The next method is mirror practice. You simply stand in front of a mirror and speak. But here's the important part. You should imagine that you are talking to a real person. When you practice in front of a mirror, you can clearly see your facial expressions, body language, confidence level. At first, it may feel shy or uncomfortable, but don't worry, that's completely normal. With regular practice, you feel more confident and natural. Now let's go a little deeper. You are speaking in English, but what about your thinking? If you are still thinking in your native language like Bengali, Kannada, Hindi, Tamil, Telugu, then translating into English, it will slow down your speaking. So the next step is to start thinking in English. And you don't need to do anything complicated. Just use your daily life. When you are doing something, say it in your mind in English. Like, I am going to the kitchen, I am feeling tired, I need to finish my work. This is a small habit, but it creates a big improvement. Now that you are thinking in English, let's make your practice more interesting and practical. Look around you. You will see many things, your table, your phone, your room. Now try to describe them in English. For example, this is my phone. I use it every day. It is very useful. You don't need perfect sentences. Just try to speak whatever comes to your mind. And slowly you will see that your confidence increases, your sentence formation becomes better, your vocabulary improves. Now that you are practicing speaking, it's very important to check your progress. And for that, I use a simple method, recording my voice. Take your phone and record yourself speaking 1 or 2 minutes. You can talk about your day, your routine, or any topic. After that, listen to your recording carefully. You will start noticing your mistakes, your pronunciation, your speaking speed. At first, you may not like your voice, but that's okay. It happens to everyone. The important thing is, this method helps you improve very quickly because you can clearly understand your mistakes and work on them. Now let's talk about a very powerful technique, shadowing. Now you might be wondering what exactly is shadowing. In simple words, it means listening to English and repeating it immediately. Let me give you a simple example so you can understand clearly. Imagine you are listening to an English sentence like, I am going to the market. Now you repeat, I am going to the market. While repeating, try to copy the pronunciation, speed, tone. At first, it may feel a little difficult, but regular practice, your fluency will improve. If you practice for just 20 to 30 minutes every day, you will definitely see improvement. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, share, and subscribe to English with Swati. I'll see you in the next video. Keep learning, keep smiling.